It's a beautiful morning here. Is it your afternoon, your evening? Depends on when you're watching this show. We are doing Ekuru. Yes, ofuloju. That is a white moi moi. Guys, I'm going to tell you now how to wrap it in two different ways. Whether you want to do a pouch or you want to wrap it in leaf, you know, that flavor that the leaf gives. And when you don't have the leaves, you can use whatever you have to do it, you know. Then the sauce. People does the sauce differently, depends on what your taste you want. You can use any of your veggies, you can use any of your greens, maybe your habanero, your poblano, your jalapeno, your atamigbe, your atagugu, so on Goldmine aroma, this is what we're using. We're using a red bell and jalapeno. That is it. I tell you guys, when I use jalapeno for any of my sauce, I don't need habanero again, which is butterscotch. That is what I would do. So guys, let me introduce you to it right away. My washed beans, soaked. I've told you guys you can revert to my previous video on how to wash your beans when you want to. The one I use for moi moi, that's just it. This beans is already washed and soaked. Then I have my fried or different kinds of meat. So basically here I have my beef, I have my cow skin, and I have my tendon, and I have a little bit of shark in it. Then I did not forget it. I wanted you to show on this sauce. So I have my snail in it, you know, and I've already have my diced onion. Then I have my coconut oil. So I'm doing coconut oil. And guys, I will never forget my soup mix. Goldminearoma is the best. This one has everything in place. You don't need to bother about your salt, your herbs, your condiments, herbs and spices. Everything in one. Just take a scoop and put it in your food. And boom, you're good to go. So I'm going to introduce this again. This is just my jalapeno and red bell. And this is my pouch. I have my pouch. And I have my leaves. My washed, clean leaves is here. Add some water. Just a little, enough to blend it. See? So I would like to whisk it here so that I can get a fluffy taste. While whisking, let me put my Goldmine aroma mix. Then you set it on the pot. Check it out. Oh, this is white moi moi. That is always been accompanied with Sophia is eyeing me with sauce. So guys, thank you. Enjoy it. Share, like, subscribe, and every details we'll put at the description below.